Just passes that fielder. That'll go to the boundary. He's a strong man, Shawaiz.
How's this for timing? It's a gentle push, Sikandar. Made sure he got it in the gap to the left of the man at extra cover. It's raced away. Brings up the 50.
And it's very near to where the ball has been hit. It's a boundary.
Overpitched, but giving himself a bit of room. Look at where he takes that front foot away from the line of the ball to the leg side so that he can create space for him to access the offside.
All nicked. This is nicked. Not really a chance for the keeper. They'll pick up. I was going to say they could pick up two.
Okay, he went for a big heave. There was a drop catch by the keeper, Zulkifal. Everyone thought it would be a double, and then and then the slide, a reverse slide, I say.
What a shot! Again, short delivery.
With the gloves behind the wicket. He took a brilliant catch. Today he is playing as a player. Just look at that, the kind of power he created. His base was still not very firm, but the kind of power he created with his arms, that's edge again, and it might run away for 4 runs.
Guiding it through. I think he tries to get it through. Yeah, edged. Of course he's trying to get it behind, but he's trying to get it through those 2 fielders. This one sliced out to deep cover. Oh, run out. Is there a run out? No. Beautiful shot. It's a very, very good shot. Gets it past extra cover. Well-timed boundary.
Quite a talented cricketer, Shawaiz Irfan. With the bat, he looks so good inside out. Playing the leg spinner with the spin. Without any risk, he was well above that cover fielder, clear of that fielder.
Pulled away, maximum. So they're on the verge of winning this game. 12 runs from the over so far, they need 8.
And he overcorrected this time. Luke Benkenstein shot delivery within the stumps, and he was on the back foot really quickly. Shawaiz Irfan with the maximum. He's showing his range. The previous boundary to covers, this boundary to deep mid-wicket.
Arif played really nicely, squeezing that one away. That's going to go for a boundary as well.
Full, he's looking for the wide Yorker. He just opens the face, gets it wide of third man. 1 stroke away from victory now.
Slicing that one. And it has gone for 4. 1 bounce, and that is the game. 50 up as well for Shawaiz. Really, it was a very fine knock of just 30 balls, but what a victory this is for the Royals.
Led the run chase.
There we go, there's the winning hit from Shawaiz to bring up his 50 as well. Wind up 51 not out. Very fine performance. He was quite happy with that, as you can see. And a timely turn of the table here for the Royals.